going to be talking about the triangle inequality. So it states that for all values a, b is an element of real quantity, the modulus of a plus b is less than or equal to the separate modulus of a plus modulus of b, like this. So this is what the triangle inequality says. So I want you to find two numbers of your choice and then try to play around with this inequality and see. I think after a while you will realize that this is true for all values of a and b, either negative or positive. Okay, so why are these two values? Why is this triangle inequality correct? Okay, this is why. A and b can either be positive or negative. Okay, so if a is positive and b is negative, adding them will offset the result. Okay. The result will be reduced. And then when we take the modulus, I can guarantee you that this left hand side will always be less than the positive side, because for the right hand side we are just taking the modulus of a. No matter whether a is positive or negative, we are just taking the modulus. Whether a is positive or negative, whether b is positive or negative, we are just taking the modulus. So I guarantee you that after adding the positives of a and b, it will always be greater than or equal to adding a and b and then finding the modulus. Okay, I don't know if you have understood that, but let's go on. Okay, so we are going to prove this triangle inequality. Okay, so a will always be, I think you can agree with me that a will always be less than or equal to the modulus of a, because a can be positive, it can be negative. So when it's negative, you can guarantee that a will be less than the modulus of a, because we'll just take the modulus. This will make this left hand side less than the right hand side. So the same is for b. Okay, before we get to b, even if a is negative, negative b is also less than or equal to the modulus of a. Okay, negative a is also less than or equal to the modulus of a. Sorry, I'm writing. I don't know what's happening in my mind right now, but let's go. So the same is for b. B is less than or equal to the modulus of b. Okay, negative b is less than or equal to the modulus of b. Okay, I think this is self-explanatory, because b can be negative. When it's negative, compared to its modulus, it will always be less. Okay, if b is positive, and b is positive, then it's equal. So these are the two results that we are going to use. It's all about this part. Okay, so if we are to combine this part, okay, with this part, positive part, let's say we add this part to this part, we can say that a plus b, if we add a plus b, I can guarantee you that the modulus of a plus the modulus of b will always be greater than adding a plus b. The same if a plus b are negative, a plus b will always equal to or less, will always be less than or equal to the modulus of a plus the modulus of b. Okay. I hope you understand that. Okay, so if you look at these two results that we found right there, this result, all right, before we get to this, okay, I want to explain something to you by definition of the modulus, okay, of modulus of a plus b. What is modulus of a plus b? So modulus of a plus b, this is what will produce a plus b if a plus b are more than or equal to 0. Okay, a plus b, let's say we produce a negative if a plus b are less than or equal to 0. So this is basically what the modulus of a plus b mean. This is what we mean. So if we look at this and then when you look at the equations that are here, this left hand part is a definition of of the modulus of a plus b. So you can safely say that the modulus of a plus b is less than or equal to the modulus of a plus the modulus of b, like this. Then you are done. You have safely proved the triangle inequality. Okay, so on our next lesson we are going to prove the reverse triangle inequality. Yes, there is a reverse triangle inequality. We are going to prove that. What you just need to know is this result, because we are going to use these two results, the triangle inequality and the reverse triangle inequality, in the next chapter, which is proof by induction. So you need to know this. You need to know this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and also comment. Okay.